This video tutorial I will explain what is API Gateway. API Gateway is a service that acts as a single entry point for clients to access multiple backend services or APIs. And API Gateway provides a way to create, manage and secure APIs by handling requests from clients and routing the request to appropriate backend services. Here you can see the web client or mobile client that sends request to API gateway. API gateway receives the request, and if the request is related to catalog microservice, then API gateway route the request to catalog microservice. And if the request is related to ordering microservice, then API gateway route the request to ordering microservice. Here we will see the primary functions of API gateway. The first point is API management. API gateway allows you to define and manage APIs, including defining endpoints for APIs, request transformations, response transformations, authentication, rate limiting, and other policies. And the second point is request routing. API gateway acts as a traffic cop for the incoming API request and routing the request to appropriate backend service based on defined rules and configurations. The third point is protocol transformation. API gateway can convert and translate request and response between different protocols, allowing clients to communicate with backend services using different protocols or message formats. And the fourth point is security and authentication. API Gateway provides a layer of security for APIs by handling authentication and authorization, and which allow you to enforce access control policies, API key management, OAuth, and other authentication mechanisms. The fifth point is monitoring and analytics. API Gateway often provides built-in monitoring and analytics capabilities, which allow you to track API usage, performance, and other metrics to gain insights into API traffic and API usage patterns. And the sixth point is hashing and performance optimization. API Gateway can hash responses from backend services, which reduce load on the services and improving overall performance by serving hashed response for the repeated request. The seventh point is rate limiting and throttling. API Gateway can enforce rate limits and throttling policies to control the number of requests client can make within a certain time period, which prevents abuse or overloading of backend services. API Gateway is commonly used in microservices architectures and API driven applications to simplify API management, enhance security, improve scalability and performance. And API Gateway acts as a central hub for API interactions and providing consistent and managed interface for clients to interact with multiple backend services. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.